in the car now, and I'm going to show you the mountain. Okay, Mommy, what are you doing?
Giving Daddy directions on where we're going.
In the map?
Uh-huh.
Let's see the map. That map is cool.
So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head. And you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head. And
So we're on the trail to Gem Lake, and it is hot compared to last week where we almost froze, and we're a little winded because it's all uphill. We get it, we're a little tired. Kai, are you tired or you still have energy to go?
Lollipop gives me energy.
All right.
We're gonna go to lake and swim a little because we don't know. We're gonna swim or just sit down and have a picnic. And here's where we're going, in the forest. That's my dad over there.
Yeah, we're going to go to the lake?
Yes,
Okay, let's do it.
we're going to do it, but it's super good, and the weather's nice. It just has shorts. See? Shorts. So we're gonna have so much fun in the water if we can swim.
Tyhle jsou ty lesní brusinky. So the hike to Gem Lake was a little harder than we anticipated. The sign down at the trailhead says it's 1.7 miles, but it's straight up. Some of the parts are over big, rocky steps. The kids were having a hard time going up, and they were tired quite early on. I mean, I was tired too. The Gem Lake is really pretty. But it was a little bit too much for us today. Next time we're gonna have to pick something a little easier or something a little bit more restful activity. The area is gorgeous though, lots of rocks, big rock formations, and the hike itself is very scenic. It overlooks the whole Estes Park, so it's really pretty. No dogs allowed on the trail. But it's quite heavily trafficked. We saw a lot of people in big groups going up, and the trail is not the widest of all. So we had to go single file and go around a lot of big groups. But it was nice. We enjoyed it, but challenging, for sure.
Hey guys, I like the lake a lot, but it was a really hard hike to get up here. Here's my dad.
Épale.
And over here's my mom. And here's my sister. Oh God. Don't forget to subscribe. Ninja!